Today we meet with Tony Ong, General Manager at multi-award-winning packaging manufacturer Pakko, to talk about one of its projects.
One of our customers, they've got a particular packaging which is a box, and it puts capsules, coffee capsules in there. On the face of it, it looks like a regular box. Unfortunately, we had to walk through an investigation of how the inline box machine for this particular customer that we have works, understand those behaviours, take the learnings that we got from that coffee manufacturer, and then come back and make the necessary adjustments that we understand how the behaviour of the box needs to be. And we've went through multiple design changes to make sure we got it perfect. The final product is basically a cube. It's just a 80 by 80 by 80 centimetre box, very generic square cube. It was a bit of a trial and error with the customer as well. And then on top of that, we made further adjustments in how we die cut the job and how we glue the job to ensure they get the perfect box.